I love to run in this city. It is so special. It's really a beautiful, peaceful way to start the day. Charleston was founded in 1670. My father's family, Linn, came over in the early 1700s. They're French Huguenots. People from Charleston are really proud to be from Charleston. It's a really important part of history. The Civil War started here. The first shots were fired right at the Battery. You can't get much closer to history than that. It's a really special place, and it gets in your heart. We have beautiful historic homes that are now museum homes. Charming Inns is a family-owned company. My husband started it. He moved to Charleston in the late 70s, and he fell in love with it and decided to stay. We've taken homes, we've turned them into businesses, but we're a family business just like those beautiful buildings were built to be. At every one of our inns, we have people that have worked with us on our team since we've opened the properties. We have people that have met working for us that have since gotten married and had families of their own. People definitely fall and live here. I love to experience the rest of the world. I love to travel. But coming home to Charleston, I almost get goosebumps. I love for people to come here and find it just as special as I do.